Welcome here to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're old, you might have already known I'm one of Jehovah's Witness, and this video it's all about getting ready for our circuit assembly. I woke up at about 5:30 a.m. to get myself ready and my kids. So I picked out what we were gonna wear. My kids are still sleeping, and I just have to go get what they're gonna wear. Before I went to bed, I already had in mind what they were gonna wear, so picking it out wasn't as difficult as it would be if I didn't have it in mind. Finding what to eat is always a struggle for me because I find myself repeating mostly all the assembly, eating the same thing for breakfast and for lunch, and which is what I'm gonna make today because I couldn't think of anything in mind that my kids were gonna like and for myself as well. So I'm making this fruit parfait or yogurt for breakfast and jollof rice for lunch. So I got these 3 cups of fruit yogurt that we're gonna have for breakfast when we get to the assembly hall, and got some salad for the jollof rice we're gonna be having for lunch. So usually I would just put them a quantity for each person, but because I have friends that are gonna come along, I had to put in a quantity. I had to put in a quantity that will go for everyone who wanna eat. I got some candies for the kids and as well some juice for them. So I'm just gonna pack in this bag, and I'm set to the food is all set. Good morning.
Good morning. How was your night? Was it good?
It was good.
Oh, I'm Aqua. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My dream was so nice.
Good.
And my dream too. Oh my goodness.
Get inside. I already brushed my mouth.
Your makeup is so beautiful.
Thank you. While my kids were in the shower, I tried to make them some hot chocolate because it's one of their favorite, and because we're gonna have about an hour drive, I wouldn't want them to leave the house without having nothing to eat or drink. So hot chocolate is their favorite, and that was what they had. Dear Father.
Amen. Mommy.
Yes.
Well, why in the prayer did you say forgive our mistakes?
Because we make mistakes every time. It's really surprising how kids pay attention. My son will be asking me, why did I ask Jehovah to forgive our mistakes? Because we were running late, I just told him because we are sinners. That's because we're imperfect and we do sin in every aspect of our lives, so we need forgiveness. Getting them ready was a little bit hectic, but I survived the morning. And we're running late for the sister to pick us up. Our sister offered to give us a ride, which we were so grateful, and we just had to get ready to meet for her to pick us up, and in order to be at the assembly on time. Are you ready for the assembly?
Yes. Yes. Of course I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Of course they were ready, but was I ready? I think yes, I was. I got dressed. I'm always the last to dress as a mom, and seeing my kids all excited for the assembly really warms my heart because how ready they were. It's just a sign that they appreciate the good news and they're not ashamed of it. The sister picked us up, and our journey to the assembly hall took us an hour plus by car. I don't know how much it is by bus. It was a really beautiful sunny morning with the joy in my heart, anticipating for what the program is all gonna be about. I couldn't just wait to get there. But look at what I'm seeing. Some part of Finland snowed actually last night. And anyways, I'm not surprised because that is Finland. We never can trust it. With the blue sky and the white ground, it's amazing. We finally got to the assembly at about 8:15. Did I forget to mention we left home at about 7:15? So it was an hour we got there. When we got there at the assembly ground, I got our seat reserved and I got myself some breakfast and as well as a kid. We got ourselves checked before starting the program. The program started at 9:50 with the music. After the first part, we had our lunch, had some photos, discussed with friends, meeting new ones. I also got my best friend. She's always by me. Anyways, it was so good, and after that, we went back to the last part of the program. We ended the program at about 3:55. Had some time to talk with friends, and the sister gave us a ride back home. And I look forward to attending the memorial next week. So, see you. Thanks for watching, and see you next week. Bye.